Hello guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video because it has been a while and I'm excited to get back to this world. I'm gonna press space to Oh my gosh. I don't remember what we did last. I'm pretty sure we just explored the area only around the biome, the two biomes around us. And we're back at home. So, we're gonna go back to sleep. Ugh. I love cornflowers, they're awesome. They're adorable looking. Sleep time. Night night. If it lets me. Oh, okay. Okay, so here we are. I think I'm gonna break this glass, and I cannot hear anything. Okay, I think I'm gonna break this glass and put two doors here, just because. Do I have any doors on me? No. I want to see if I do have any in here, though. I think I remember putting some in this chest. Oop, there's one. We only need one more then, but it gives us three. Where do we put the crafting table? That's good. Okay. And let's make a door. I honestly like birch doors, so let's go get a few birch logs so that we could do that. Back here. Oh my goodness, I really cleared out this land. Almost. No, there's no birch ones close. Oh, that's sad. We're gonna have to travel farther and farther if we don't start planting. I don't have any. Oops, what am I doing? uh, let's plant everything I've got for now. I don't see any other saplings. Let's go put these in the... Oop, I'm hungry. This apple. Oh, and all that bread. Let's just plant these first, then I'll eat, then I'll... then I'll... Oh my goodness. Okay, come on. Why does it have to lag? Okay, let's go plant this over here. Okay, and then I'll try to see if there was anything dropped by the tree so that we can plant more of the birch. Oh, I see some. Yeah. Let's just plant this in the same place that it was. Around the same place that it was. Here. Okay. Oh my god. That's so annoying. Glad I can tell where the house is just from that ginormous pillar. I thought I was gonna fall off the entire time. If I did, though, my bed was set and I could have just ran out there and got my item. Oops, I forgot to break those. 4. Okay, now we'll make the doors so that we can put them in the doorway. Well, in the new doorway that's gonna be there. Okay. Let's make the doors. There we go. Where's a shovel? I don't have one on me. I was gonna make a little path out here so that it doesn't look so awkward and abrupt. But that's what we've got for now. It's an ugly little house, but it'll do. Ugh, come on. I don't know what I'm doing now. Saplings. Yeah. Come on. Stop lagging. Stop lagging. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Go. Go. Okay. Come on. Let's put one here. Here. This one right here. And here. And I think right up here would be cool too. There we go. It's pretty good. So now, I think I want to go mining actually. Hold on, maybe plugging in this chip will help a lot. But first it's gonna lag because it's gotta plug in. There we go. And now it's not gonna respawn for a few seconds. There will be a video posted immediately after this, once this one finally is done uploading, but it'll be a short wait for you guys, only about 15 minutes, because that's how long I take for videos unless it's lagging. Because when it's lagging, I get to cheat and get more, but when it's lagging, I also don't get anywhere. Where am I going? What I'm trying to do is get another pickaxe. Why did I do that? Okay. Let's go like that. Need more. Where's my iron? I thought I had more. Right? Yeah. I'll make 2 more pickaxes with this. Pickaxe handle. Okay. Right, we'll use obviously the least or the most used one first. Then I think while this video is uploading, I'm gonna do my house a little bit more. Oh right. When I was doing that thing, the water washed out all the torches, so I gotta place them all. Which means I gotta be careful because some mobs might have spawned. This is where the ravine is. I don't like the ravine. Too many mobs for me. Why is it so dark only around here? Put a torch up, bro. Pretty sure this is where I want to go. Here's a skeleton. It's probably over here. I'm gonna start mining here. Over here. Okay. Get a light up in here. What are my coordinates right now? Let me check. I think it's at 12. Yeah, 12. That is not for me. Oh no. Oh no no. You know what? I'm doing it anyway. Yellow, I guess. Hey, little buddy. Aw, dang it. Thought I was really better than that. There's another one, bro. Ah, it's okay. I'll heal back up. Oops. Don't want to waste torches, even though I have so many. I don't really want to go too far into this because I don't want to get lost. Just gonna go straight into here. Hopefully we'll find some diamonds. That would be cool before this video ends. Just grab a torch, place it. I'm always looking above me because I don't know how. Like, a cave has been right above me before. I didn't even notice until a zombie dropped in. And I hear zombies right now, so. Yes! No way! Oh my god, we actually did it. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah! I love that beautiful look of the diamonds. Oh my god. Look at this sexy cave. Make sure there's none. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I thought it was only 2. Oh my god. Alright. It looks like that's it, but wow. Look at all those. Yeah. Oh, that feels good. I'm just gonna get this too. I don't know how much coal I have. Oh, enough. A lot. I get lost in caves so easily. It would suck if I got lost in a cave. So, I'm just gonna go get lost now. Is there any